maayo nga anak. Tsada man nga desire, tsada man nga plano. But it has to be rightly done in the right way. Self-control and self-discipline. Kasi pasaputan na ni Lord, balaod ni Lord. Because sex is a gift. It is only allowed after marriage. Right or wrong? Right or wrong? But that is mostly violated. Na gusto tag maayo nga kaliwat. Isugdan na natog wrong seed. Disobeying a seed. Amen. Seed of disobedience na siya.